What's up guys, it's me Umair Geek. So here's my essential phone PH-1. Now I wanna show you the fingerprint scanner speed test. Let me lock the phone. As you can see the phone is locked, right? I can't open, right? Okay. 1, 2, 3, let's go. Okay, the fingerprint is fast but not that fast. I have seen another phone, the fingerprint is quite fast. I mean it takes like a split second, but still I'm quite happy, you see. I wanna be honest here. Okay, I mean it's good enough to be honest with you. 1, 2, 3, let's go. Mistake like a split second. I mean, I think so. The update can fix the fingerprint speed, but it's still better than a lot of phone, but not like the best compared to like OnePlus 5 or the, I mean, or any modern. I mean, some like Galaxy S9 or yeah. Come on. Sometimes it do not register. You see too many attempts. Try again later. Sometimes this happen. I mean, when it's trying to, the fingerprint is okay, but not that fast. I want to be honest here. If you wanna support me on Amazon. All of the links are in the description box below. Subscribe and bye.